guys, time check, it's 8 AM and magda-dissect ako ng frog. So i-dissect ko yung brain niya guys. So let's go! Time check, it's 8:45 AM and kakatapos ko lang mag-dissect and I'm gonna show you the brain of the frog na guys. So yan. So, yung nasa line sa middle, yan yung brain. It's the spinal cord. So that's it guys. So let's go to the next activity. Hi guys, time check, it's already 9 AM and I decided to go for a short walk since there's plenty of time left before 11. So while walking, I'm reflecting why the frog's brain is so small compared to us humans that is much more bigger and better. So I came into conclusion that us humans are bigger because we do complex activities like walking, like what I'm doing right now, walking upright. So on frogs naman, they rely on their instinct for survival. And outfit check muna tayo guys. Ayan. Hi guys, so time check, it's 10 AM. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina since nagmamadali ako. And I'm on my way to Batak na, walking to the highway and see you sa school. And outfit check guys. So nakalugan lang si Bash. Time check guys, it's 11:20 AM and kakadating ko lang sa school and I'm late na. So I'll update you na lang about sa test. So see ya. Time check, it's 12 PM and post-class interview is that hindi na ako pinag-test ni sir kasi late na ako. So next week na lang. And yeah, that's it for our first period. And we will now go to CFL for recording for the music parody. So see you guys. Check guys, 1 PM. I'm here at the library. So ongoing pa lang yung filming namin for the music parody. So stay tuned guys. And see you later. Hello guys, so time check, it's actually 3 o'clock. So mga ilang oras kaming nag-film at nag-conceptualize and ayun. So hindi pa namin tapos but nakapag-video rin kami. And I'm on my way to Twin Gate right now para kumuha ng jeep and papunta sa Lawag. And hopefully I can make it to Lawag on time para makapag-tune up ako sa mga chess players ng Lawag. So see you there guys. Just got here dito sa Lawag. Guys. Yan ma. And by the way guys, pupunta ako sa McDo para i-pick up yung lunch ko since di pa ako naka-lunch and magla-lunch na lang ako sa sa playing area basta doon. So na-pick up ko na. Kaka-pick up ko lang. Yan. And I'm on my way to LCES where the city athletes such as ay nag-train. So pupunta ako makipag-tune up doon. So okay, so we will enter the campus now. Okay. So sa second floor sila nag-train. Yan, dyan din kami nag-train noong 2023. Nag-qualify ako sa 2020 R180. So it brings back memories guys. Let's go! Baka na to guys. Okay, so medyo busy sila. So yan, kakain muna ako. Ongoing yung training nila. Kakatapos lang yung mga games and fortunately we won 5 and those won. So it's a very good standing. These are very solid caliber players that are young. Guys, that concludes our tune up with the Lawag chess team. And sorry for the limited videos because they won't allow to to capture videos inside because for privacy reasons, and I may expose their preparation, their chess moves, and that's a thing in chess. It was a flashback going there because it was the place where we had trainings last 2023. So guys, I'm going home now since I have my son already. So yeah, that's it guys. So that's it guys for the day in the life of a student athlete, and thanks for watching. See you next year and bye bye.